Hello and welcome back friends to Tech Journal 24. The Razer Basilisk V3 is the video gaming mouse made to give its user a large range of modification choice, taking some ideas from among the best PC gaming computer mice currently on the market, which is the Logitech G502 Hero. So, today we'll go ahead and see how the Razer Basilisk V3 doing in the market, and we will do a quick review. So let's start. Alright, the Razer Basilisk V3 is a video gaming mouse, as I've told you. It has a large range of modification choice for the users and the best PC gaming mouse currently in the market, like Logitech 502 Hero. It's a competitor, okay? Yet, Razer had made some significant improvement on both the previous Basilisk V2 and the Logitech's offering. Pretty illumination doesn't improve efficiency, yet it's much better looking and also extra polished. As well as, if you are not a fan, after that you can just switch it off. As a matter of fact, turning off those showy lights makes this a slightly better mouse to bring into the workplace if you don't work from the house, and also there is excellent productivity benefits to do so. A major feature of Razer Basilisk V3 is its titling HyperSpeed scroll wheel, allowing you to switch over between the typical tactile things, scrolling motions, as well as free speeding mode and swifting scroll down web page or spreadsheets. You likewise have an alternative to manually switch over between both, or allow smart reels setting through Razer snaps that will certainly spot when you scroll excessively, as well as immediately relocating in between responsive and also free speed mode depending on your task. It is fair, but it works better than expected, permitting you to have typical scrolling feature for the majority of the tasks, and after that quickly scroll up and down when seeing a websites like Tudor. It can be a little sensitive, so it's worth messing around in the setups. Yet, we soon mastering utilization of smart reels feature without showing through web page at excellent speed. You can allow the wheel to rotate itself down, or it's you require to stop it. Just rotate it opposite instruction, as well as you'll hear a click that indicates it's returned back to the manual scroll, almost and an automated automobile. The scroll wheel can likewise turn from left to right, giving you two added buttons that you can use across the page. This was a genuine property when taking care of big spreadsheet, as well as you can distinct them to and type of keys you expensive throughout video games when can aid with title that have scroll menu selections for things like weapons or consumables. There are 11 buttons in total, one being located on the underside of the mouse itself to switch between various accounts that can be saved onto the computer mouse. There are 5 slots for profile offered, so you can save an array of different key links for different video game or styles. You're also obtaining 2 switches below the scroll wheel, one to radiate the change in between scrolling settings by default but can be reassigned. The typical left and idle computer mouse switch, as well as 3 buttons situated on the left hand side of the mouse consisting the multiple functional triggers. This triggers is very satisfying to click and serves as either the basic micro button or can be utilized for activate Razer Hypershift, enabling you to swap between 2 different collections of controls, effectively increasing the number of action at hand. The optical sensing unit promised 99.6% resolution accuracy, as well as you are getting the Razer second generation of optical mouse switch, also which not only feels pleasing to click but also leads to a 0.2 ms response time. On the whole, this is a computer mouse that lays out to be a jack of all trades and does well in doing so with the thriving. Now, the question is whether to buy it or not to buy it. This is very important. I believe you guys have went through the review and got whatever I have informed you about this particular mouse. Now, buy it if you enjoy the RGB. You're a gamer, you take your computer mouse to the go. And don't buy it if you have a small hands. You hate wired computer mouse in that case. So I believe I had made the picture very clear to you guys, and you guys will like it, how to do it and how to understand the entire thing of this mouse. Okay, so I believe this was enough for you guys, and comment below if you have any question regarding this mouse. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell icon to get more of these videos.